Hi everybody, Nick Skiba here with a beautiful Ram 1500, a 2018, and this is a Laramie with a 5.5 foot box and a crew cab, 20-inch wheels. You can see the running boards there, and here's the leather seats with the console inside. No sunroof on this one. It does have navigation though, so that's good. And there's the heated and cooled seats and the heated steering wheel. Trailer tow package, 8-speed transmission. This one has 45,000 miles, on its way to 46. Hands-free Bluetooth, adjustable pedals, power seats, good tread on the tires. I'll show you that on the other side there, where the sun will let you see it actually. The box. And there's the inside, the back seats. Let's get you over here to the tread on the tires. Chrome package, fog lamps. Just a good looking truck all the way around. Check it out here at Snowy Mountain Motors.